Hi everyone, welcome to my universe, to the massive truth. Wherever you're watching me from around the world, I pray may the good Lord bless and strengthen you. May open that beautiful and gorgeous side of yours to make you see and understand from my own point of view. Today na hot topic. I want to talk about something when I see again for social media. I want to talk about this our lovely sister Etinosa and the MC Galaxy. Please do bear with me. I will be back. All right, my brothers and sisters, you're welcome back. Welcome to my universe. If it's your first time of seeing my video, you're very much welcome. Thank you for being here. Please do me a favor, subscribe to watch more of my video, hit the bell button to get notification whenever I upload video. So my old subscribers that keep coming back to watch my video, I love you in the name of love. I love you in the name of whatever you believe. Thank you very much. Thank you for your encouragement. Thank you for your positive energy. Your positive energy keeps me going. Thank you. I really appreciate from the bottom of my heart. So today I want to talk about waiting till they go viral now for social media. This our lovely sister, my beloved sister, where I've known video they go viral now, and Galaxy, MC Galaxy, I think so. When I say be name, I want to give my opinion and I want see how I fit say be change in my own little way, how I fit to be change for my own generation, how I feel make different, how I feel make people see from my own point of view, how I feel to make people see positively. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying now let my own day positive. I just beg you to see a little from my own point of view. Maybe, just maybe, you will make sense out of her. So this boy can they make live video, and this my sister can call put. I know if you put the video, but I know if you put the video because it's not good for eye. I know if you put all the video, but I want put one where be say this my brother Galaxy can they open eye as if say he never see woman before. I want to use this opportunity. I want to use this medium to send message, go give Galaxy. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, I beg you, my auntie and my uncle, anybody born of a woman, please help me share this video. Don't take it personal, don't get it personal, don't get it twisted. I just want to give my own opinion as a woman, as a lady, as somebody where food they chop, as somebody where they disgusting for this thing where MC Galaxy do. Make I leave now with the small video, then may I leave now with the small clips, then you see for your own self. Maybe you don't see her, maybe you don't see her, maybe you don't see her. We all should speak out. We all should condemn things that is not good. We all should please always see good things in people. Always see good out of bad things. I beg you all. Please do bear with me. I'll be back.
Etinosa. I want to get naked. I want to get naked. Chime, at this point, you should leave here. Because what they're going to see now, it doesn't say I want to spell anybody. Let's get my boyfriend's manager here. I want him to leave so I can get naked. Oh. Yo, let's get naked.
Jesus. Etinosa, you are high.
No, don't put on the light. Just go. Let me lock the door and get naked. So, guys, hold on. Let me lock the door.
Okay, my brothers and sisters, hope you see the video. The video they trend for Facebook. It they everywhere for Facebook. My brothers, my sisters, I beg you all to please drop that video, delete the video. It not gets who never see woman body before. If you be man, you don't bath with your mama. If you be man, you get babe wey get that kind of thing. If you be woman, you get the same thing like this lady. Why you go keep on? I beg you, please understand from my own point of view. I see many people for many platforms, they talk this issue. I really appreciate all of una wey speak out. I really appreciate all of una wey condemn this act. I really appreciate you for real from the bottom of my heart. My Mr. Galaxy, MC Galaxy, you know, for life, we dey feel say position what we dey today. Now there be the ultimate. Inya we normal lag no fo. Na so they talking for my beautiful dialects. If you never finish life, if breath never come up for your nose, not mock somebody, not ridicule somebody, not see somebody make you feel say, oh, your own don't finish, or make you feel say you want use somebody go top. Life not never finish. Life still they go front. Life na game. If you play your card well, you will get the good result. But if you play on with wayo, if you play on with bad intention, believe me, you come and they front to serve you, my brother. Come and they front to serve you. You say this person are your friend, and you they look hard, they remove her clothes, they do like this. You want come out. Who are you deceiving? You are deceiving yourself. I'll put it to you, my brother. I'm really pissed. I'm really angry when I see that video. I'll put it to you. You are a disgrace to every mother in this earth. You are a disgrace to any of your female fan. You are a disgrace to all your sisters. If you don't marry, you are a disgrace to your friend. If you don't marry, you are a disgrace to your wife. If you never marry, you get girlfriend, you are a disgrace to your girlfriend. If you get kids, you are a disgrace to your kids for pulling this thing. For pulling it out, you are a disgrace. You disgust me to the core. You disgust me to the core. Even your male fans, you are a disgrace to them because now woman I born them. You are a disgrace to every living human being on earth. This is my opinion and this is what I think. Please, my brother, please, my sister, don't take it personal. Because when we not beat some people, come out for some bad thing, we they applaud them, another person will do them again. It is bad. MC Galaxy, you just do like some of my brothers. You just behave like some of my brothers for Edo State, where inside Pepe for human being private parts because of phone. Because of you allow your friend, you allow somebody where you call your colleague, somebody wanna don't drink beer together, somebody wanna don't drink whiskey or anything, wanna they drink, wanna don't drink together, not even sit down together, and don't shake. You look this person, they remove her clothes, knowing full well she's drunk, you're not off the video. You're not off the live video. You were taking pleasure from it. They see people, they improve for your view. People they enter, can't look waiting. Live blue film. Why we like to they pull each other down? Why we like to condemn us, our fellow human being, just to they on top? Why? MC Galaxy, you are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to friendship. You are a disgrace to anything good. Yes, I said it. You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to your mother. You are a disgrace to that precious womb where you from come at. You are a disgrace. You are a disgrace to your entire family for pulling this thing out. What do you gain? For destroying human beings' reputation. For destroying human being reputation. What be your gain? What be the gain where you get now? What be the gain where you get Galaxy? And people where they applaud them, they say, now the girl fought, the girl supposed not say this social media. See, my brother, my sister, pray me you not get depression, pray me you not get heartbreak, pray me you get good friend where go hold you when you fall. Because everybody, they reach the stage where they fall for life. Everybody, you know, when something not there our body, when something not happen to us, we sabi judge. We sabi judge and when it reach our body, we will lose control. We should pray. We shouldn't be in the position of depression. Depression will make you do what you're not supposed to do. Coupled with the fact saying a friend. Pray may you not get bad friend. Pray make it be say person where you call your friend may not be saying that person will poison you. Pray that prayer, and a very good prayer. This galaxy, what did they call, you know, one more they say if picking ugly, they will give them good sweet name. They say picking ugly, you will give them sweet name. Leave the face. I know they talk say he ugly for face. He ugly inside. He ugly inside. I don't look at appearance of people. I don't look at you take guard. I go straight to your heart and see how clean and dirty you are. And this MC Galaxy, you are so dirty in the hearts. Because of you. Because of you. You don't get respect for women. You don't respect your mother. You don't respect that precious part where you from come out. Who cares how our private parts be? Who cares? Who cares to know? Who cares? As people don't see her now, will the world change? As people see our private parts, God come down, heaven fall. So why don't some people just think positively? Why we like to retain this grandfather, grandmother of hate? Why we like to split hate? Why we don't want me love just come back to life, for crying out loud? People they write down for this say she is a prostitute. She just open her legs, say she just proved to the world, say she is wayward, she is this, she is that. See, it takes two to tango. It takes two to tango. Now because in a woman, I mean people they call her prostitute, they call her prostitute. See, one person not they do prostitution. Now somebody go sleep with her, and I make her be prostitute. Now make her be prostitute. Why people not they call the men prostitute? If men stop go they carry these women where they call prostitutes, so I believe say prostitution will stop. When we they watch matured film, BF film, people they always focus on the girl. Now the girl they always they call, oh that girl now be the ashawo. Nobody they recognize the men. Nobody wants see say the men are still prostitute. Nobody they call men prostitute. This Galaxy is a prostitute for doing this thing. He is a prostitute. He is a prostitute. In fact, borrow me your mark na talk am. He is a prostitute, a dead prostitute. He's a woman molester. He's a woman abuser. He's anything bad you can think of. Now this boy body day. Now this boy body na day. You look your sister. Okay. Tell me, Galaxy, and people where they call this girl prostitute, they talk say, oh, na fault, na this, na that, na this, na that. Tell me, if na your sister, Galaxy and people where MC Galaxy and the people where they put the blame on the girl, why? If it na your sister, this thing happen to, ask yourself, if na so you would talk, whether you will talk say na your sister fault. This girl is drunk, for crying out loud. This girl, that's according to the rumor, she just had heartbreak. You know, when you date for heartbreak, you feel say na so this world be. Now so this world, you feel say na the end of the world now be that one. Waiting this girl need now. Waiting this girl need right now. Now our love, our concern, make she not go hang herself. Not be make we dey crucify her. Except say you never get heartbreak. Except say maybe you never dey depressed once for your life. Except say you never take bad decision. Except say you never take alcohol. Do waiting. They abnormal where you can't be say the next day people come they tell you. If you don't drink, or you don't drunk, the person come they tell you what you do the next day. Don't cast the first stone. If you don't depressed, you don't get heartbreak, being you man, being you woman, if you don't get heartbreak and you did this state of confusion, you don't know what you want to do, coupled with the fact that you get bad friends, please don't cast the first stone. I don't say me you not judge it makes you human, but please don't cast the first stone, because who fair fall now be victim, no kawu or atita, who fair die now be mates. Make all of us make this thing irritating to us because now woman born us. Make this thing irritating to us because we get daughter. Somebody might copy from this Galaxy. Somebody must somebody fit copy from this MC Galaxy, because see the people where they engage this girl, majority na men. Majority na men is so annoying. So I don't know. Say women we know say heartbreak fit make you do some silly things. When you drink fit make you do some silly things. You know they drink, you not fit understand. You never dey drunk once, you not fit know wetin I dey try talk. Ask people wey don't really dey depressed, wey come be say the depression come make them go dey drink. The depression come make them come dey do wetin they know they do before. Ask these people wey don't repent, they will tell you that depression is something where you not fit control. Wetin I expect from MC Galaxy as a friend, as a brother, as a human being with a golden heart, as a role model wey saying be. I believe, to my own opinion, I believe say it's supposed off that video, because it's see evidence they say she they drink. Evidence they say she they drink. You off the last video. Who your view help? People where they view you, after they don't view you finish, everybody go in separate ways. You feel say now your matter, all of them still there. They're not there. Why we not like to they give positive message to people? Waiting make me they provoke like this, my brothers and sisters. Maybe you will not understand now, because of the statements where this unrepentant boy put for a social media, for what he put for a social media, where this unrepentant soul put for Instagram. Make I read down for now, my brothers and sisters. He said on Friday I go put them up so that make una see about una self. Now this one they make me the vex. Now this one they make me they say make we beg. More not they give people reason to they do bad. Make we beat people come out when they do bad, because this girl now somebody's daughter. This girl now somebody future wife. This girl now somebody night borner. Now somebody night borner. He said on Friday, I had an IG live session where fans called in to show their talents. Some rap, some sang, some dance. We got call from everywhere, both from guys and ladies called in to showcase their talents. At a point, a particular lady called in without her clothes on. That one a big fat lie. Big fat lie. She was putting on her clothes before she said she want to remove her clothes. This one are your friend. Now this one they make me they provoke my brothers and sisters. He said I actually dropped her off, but the fans from the comments insisted I accept her request, so I did. Can you imagine? I beg Galaxy, MC Galaxy, me right now I don't become your fans. Please, I insist, pull your hand for naked wire. Please, I beg you. When I send this message, go give MC Galaxy. I don't become your fan now. I don't become your fan. I beg you. Pull your hand for naked wire where they your heart for where they your house, or better still, pull your hand for transformer. Since your friends, your fans insisted that you should invite her in, you say you see and say she naked, and this is your friend, you choose to take the word of your fans over person where you call your friend. You are a disgrace. Just as I they look you so my brother, as you they look me so my brother, they look yourself for mirror. May you they tell yourself, say you are a disgrace to every woman that has ever lived. You are a disgrace to your fan. You are a disgrace to your family. You are a disgrace to your girlfriend. You are a disgrace to in fact, even to animal. You are a disgrace, my brother. You are a disgrace. Then he can't come here again. He continue. He say, if you follow my page, you would know that I have the utmost respect for women. I have helped a lot of my female followers, ladies who have needed help from me, who have needed help for an issue or the other without asking anything in return. And without informing anyone. My apology. We will handle things better next time. When I see this last one, I say, okay, since he apologized, I pray my lovely sister Etinosa forgive sin. Then he can't come back again after he don't go meet his friends, he don't drink beer, he don't drink whiskey, he brain don't turn meta, he don't the meta craze, he can't come back again. He can't write. He said next time I won't take the blame again. Man, my brother, if to say I just see you, I for bet one of your finger come out. I for bet your nose. I swear. I for bet your nose because you irritate me. You irritate me. I beg you, my sister, if now you they date this boy, get him for your mind. Get him for back of your mind one day. You go do waiting worst part this one to you one day. If you do this one to your friend, if you do this one to your own friend, if you do this one to your own colleague, see, believe me, my sister, he go do one to you. Be careful. Or wash your back. You know they respect woman. You know they respect you. Because if in they respect you, my sister, I don't believe say go pull these shits. I don't believe say go pull woman body for outside. I don't believe so. We should all stop this nonsense. More stop to the bring women down for crying out loud. More stop to the bring women down. Even men, it's not good to bring anybody naked body come social media. We should have self-discipline. More get self-discipline. More get self-respect. I beg you all, because anywhere you for post man or woman nude picture comments, it's either you post your mama on comments or you post your papa on comments. God. Let me go forward. The thing they make me really dey emotional, they make me dey angry, they make me dey pissed off, they make me anything you can think of now, they make me they do right now. It's annoying. It's annoying. You go social media to say you did not, in fact, you know, will take blame for your wrong deed next time. So you get them from mind, say you will see open live video when somebody they drunk. Just go come and they invite people, make they come they do BF for your show now. Invite people, make they come they do BF. In fact, use your platform, take on BF platform. Use them. He say, next time I won't take the blame again. My live video is every Friday, 10 p.m. Nigeria time. Feel free to call in and sing, dance, or arts, etc. Please, I beg you, don't call in naked because I won't cut off my live video because of you. It can't pull love arts. See I'm for here now. See I'm for here. May not bless her they provoke for nothing. He say, so please advise your girlfriend and sisters. So please advise your girlfriend and sister. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? You don't get any remorse. You don't get any conscience. Your conscience don't die. I beg all the followers with all due respect. I beg the people who can pull love one and see say, woman, like una sister, like una daughter, like una mother, they naked and una they pull love. If una want to see those kinds of things, mona go blue film sites, mona go BF site, mona go adult sites, mona go watch adult film. Mona go watch adult film. I beg una. I personally not blame this girl because when you dey for state of depression, you know they think normal again. You know they think normal again. Now MC Galaxy, now be the evil person here. Is just now just evil in human form. You evil don't possess this boy. Evil take hold of him. In fact, I don't know why celebrities not they speak out. You know, concern her, right? She never big, but get her for your mind. Say, today na somebody turn, tomorrow na another person turn. Today na somebody na affect now. When una not speak out, tomorrow it will be somebody very close to you turn. I go see how una want do na face. I go see how una want to react. I go see whether una go say, oh no, you for not do one. You for not do one. I beg you, my brothers and sisters, to understand. I beg you to see from my own point of view. I beg you, stop calling her prostitute because she don't perform blue film for nets. Stop calling her prostitute because she wasn't a sex worker. She was a lady that was depressed, drunk, and her friend took advantage of her. She is the victim. Make we stop to the pull victim down. I know say you get the way you want it, way you take the reason this matter, but always reason. Say, see who be victim here, see who be bad friend here, see who be evil in human form, see who devil possess. See who devil possess. What you want take from when he off the video with this comment when he pull out now say he know they take blame next time, which is intentionally done. Intentionally doing. Your fans, they tell you, say, me, you let her naked, you will let her naked. Your fans go tell you, say, okay, let your wife naked. You say, because your fans say, make your wife naked, you put live video, they show one and they make love. Right? Right? Please, my ladies, where they blame this my beautiful sister, stop it. I beg you. I pray make you anything. May the good spirit not make you get depression. I pray may the good spirit not make you see what will make you drink where you will forget what they do. Because many people will drink, they're not just they carry this drink say because belly the sweet them. They drink because they are depressed. They drink because something bad happened to them. According to the story, they said her husband, they threatened her, say she won't post a live video, a nude picture for net. Many things they go on for her brain. Many things they happen to her. She not get somebody to talk to. It is easy to say, look for somebody to talk to. Who do you trust? Who can you trust? Who can you trust? Everybody get person to talk to. Who is that person? Not be one of the person to trust, not being post her out so. Not being post her out so. Please, my brothers, please, my sister, I beg you, make we use people mistake till learn. Make we stop this thing. If you dey in the position, say you see evidence, they say she was drinking. Evidence they say she did drink. Don't say she drink come the show. No, she was drinking. You not suppose invite him. He not suppose, even if as he don't invite him, say according to him, say if fans say make him invite him. As he invite him, see say she don't they remove her clothes. Wetin I expect from a brother that has a sister, that has a mother? Wetin I expect from her now to cut off that video? We continue on tomorrow. You'll see whether people not go applaud, and you'll see whether people not go say, "Oh God, you are a child of God. You have a golden heart. He heart black past charcoal." He hearts black past charcoal. I beg all my celebrities, I beg you all, the fans, the followers, to please make una stop to follow this boy. He know what's on. Tomorrow if he be your sister. Tomorrow if he be your sister, I will post everything when he posts for Instagram. Say in the respect woman, in get whether na utmost or utmost respect. Say in get utmost respect for women. For where? For where? You be woman rapper. You know, woman rapper better. You be, oh God, what I want to describe this boy. You don't get one respect for woman. You don't get respect for women. You don't respect your wife. You don't respect your girlfriend. You don't respect your mom. You don't respect your sister. You don't respect your female, your female fans. You don't respect your male fans, because now women are bonding. You don't respect anybody. Look all your posts. It's either you want to give 150,000 to women, you want to give 50,000 to women. If you pronounce Ogbolo, any woman if you pronounce Ogbolo, you will give her 150,000 and be 50,000. See all the posts for you. This boy, they really make me vex. I swear to my heavenly Father. You they make me the verse. I believe say as I the verse, so now so many people the verse for you. Believe me, you karma will serve you. This one not be say person they swear for you. No, now seed where you plant that very day where you on that live video, that very day where you decide to mock woman, that very day where you decide to expose her to the world. Your karma, they wait for you for front, and you go give you picking shop. You must chop that picking. No, remember what you do that day. Oh. When it happen, remember what you do that day. Say now they serve you so. The only way you know to receive and where. Now when Etinosa sincerely from the bottom of her heart forgive you, even if say she forgive you, all the spirit, all the human being spirit wey vex for this thing, they no go quick forgive you. You go still chop from that karma. Only say no come big again. Go and apologize to her before you go and apologize to God. Not be God you offend, not be God you wrong. Now human being like you wrong. You betray friendship, you betray trust, you betray everything way good. Now you betray my brother. So I beg you, my brothers and sisters, to understand. I beg you not to take it personal. I beg you to please condemn what is bad. Not applaud what's bad. Not applaud and not give and go ahead. Not talk say now the woman fought because evidence they say she was drunk. Nobody for this world, my brother, my sister, who know they drink, who know they test alcohol, who know they test alcohol, not reach 40%. For this world, not reach 40%. Sometimes people will not they drink, feel just they depressed, they feel say na drink will just make them go off. Just take small sip, small, it could just make them go offline. You know me say he drink am excess, if he just be saying a taste, now the person take and he will just blow because he never take am before. So all of us should always put our leg in people's shoe, because today get belle, we don't know waiting tomorrow one born. Today now this my sister turn, we don't know who will be the turn tomorrow. When we not start to dey beat people off, if we say make our country good, if we say make our country better, if we say we want good thing for our land Nigeria, make all of us fix am by ourselves in any little way we can. Make we see something and say something. Make we stop to dey put blame on victims. I beg you all in the name of God. All of una wey they call this girl ashawo, all of una wey they call this girl prostitute, one person no dey do prostitution. The men wey go dey carry them, they are prostitute as well. This girl never do anything to call her prostitute. Any small thing will just happen. Men, African men are quicking to call ladies prostitute, forgetting say my men go they carry them. I see one bros. He can tell me say, this girl, they say now so she just waka waka. He not get one boy where he not feel open leg for. He must show this girl. He must enter that cabin. Then I can call and say, bros, so he's saying, you just call this girl ashy. You just call her waka waka. You just call her say na low life, and you want go penetrate her. Wetin make you my brother? Now you can't low pass for this world because you see people who are responsible and you choose to go for the low life like you claim. You choose to go for the low life. You choose to go for the one will be the public toilet. Now you can't public toilet pass for this world. You see person will be prostitute, you just see her, maybe they write her for her forehead saying a prostitute, and now that one now you want make your name still there, you want your signature there. You just want your signature for the prostitute industry. Before you can say, my sister, not true. People get them, they not they use them. Stop calling women prostitute. I beg you in the name of God, because now people they patronize them. People they patronize them are the men. So now equal. The men are prostitutes, the women are prostitutes. Man, they put all blame on woman. Anything where woman, if woman talk, maybe she not talk well for social media, the first thing my African men will call this woman, she's a prostitute. You be a shawo. Oh God, please call all this bullshit off. Make all of us mature and be wise. Make we mature. You know if you talk, say all women bad and you want to exclude your mama. It's not possible. You know if you say all women bad, you want to exclude your sister. It's not possible. You know if you say all women bad, you want to exclude your pikin. It's not possible. Everybody now woman. Everybody now woman. Even you where they talk now as a man, you were once a female in your mother's womb. So please make we respect women. If woman offend you, let them know why and let her know why and where she for go wrong without calling her a prostitute. What will they gain? What will be the benefit to call our mother, to insult motherhood, to call women prostitute? Waiting will they gain inside? This earth where we dey, now female. Anything where you dey eat, any food where you eat today, now woman I produce them. Now female fruits, female gari, female anything female I produce and I make them multiply. Automatically you are insulting Mother Nature. So please let us all wake up and stop giving the evil, the beast. Most of to they give them applaud. Most of to they applaud them. Make we stop to the ten and say, right down. If we continue like this, the evil spirit will never leave us in peace. I hope you understand. I hope you see reason with me. I hope we sympathize with this, our sister. I hope we really sympathize with her. I hope we show her love. I hope we give her reason not to kill herself. I hope we just make her know that the life way day ahead of her, her future is more brighter than this darkness which she feels she did. So I beg you, please stop threatening people with their nude pictures. I beg you. I beg you. Though people they say, maybe people know they send their nude picture to go give their partner, you can't stop it. As long as love they exist, it will keep going. Make we advise our men and our women where they threaten people, say they want they send nude pictures. Not the way you say they think, not be so I tell they think. Not the way you say they play your love, not be so I tell they play my love. So I hope you understand and see from my own point of view. I hope you don't take it personal. I hope you don't just take it personal. But please, MC, what did they call you? MC Galaxy, take it personal and take it personal and repent from your sin. Go do sober reflection. Deal with yourself. Caution yourself, punish yourself for this thing where you do to your friend. You betrayed friendship, you betrayed love, you betrayed trust, you be beast in human form. You be beast in human form. I pray the good spirit have mercy on your soul. I pray this my lovely sister forgive you from the bottom of her heart. I hope the world will react to this thing, will say this thing did disgusting. Forgive you from the bottom of their heart so that you can arrive, so that you can be free, so that you can make it in life. I just pray for you to have peace within yourself. I just pray all the good spirit forgive you for this evil acts what you do towards your fellow human being, not to talk of your own friend. My lovely sister Etinosa, believe me, this thing will all fade away just now. Nobody will remember again. Just hold on to your faith. Believe in yourself. Not to the listening to side talk again. Look for people who truly love you. This boy, this Okbolo eye, this MC Galaxy is not your friend, my sister. My personal advice to you, if you not fit make video now, do audio recording. Apologize to your fans. Tell your fans may they not vex. Tell your fans may they forgive you. Most especially, apologize to your parents. You really bring them down. I know the judge you say you intentionally do and you not intentionally do. I understand and I feel your pain, but because they are humans, because anything where you do, my sister, that they call her, that they call your parents name put, that they drag your parents name put, that they drag your siblings name put, that they pick points. You don't know that girl, that one is sister, that one is brother, that one is mama, that one is papa. So shame not going to let your parents look their friends again, because for their mind, maybe na my picking matter that they talk. Apologize to them. If you feel like apologizing publicly, no problem. Make your fans, make everybody join you, still beg them. Do it. If you still feel say you not call for to do it publicly, go to them, apologize to them, cry sincerely, say you are sorry, let them forgive you from the bottom of their hearts, my sister. I really understand you. I really understand your pain, but please, I beg you, this shame too much for them. Let them know, let them feel the sincerity, sorry from you. Apologize to your fans. I use this opportunity, my brothers and sisters, on behalf of this my sister Etinosa, to apologize to all the fans. Please make we find a place in our hearts to forgive her. Today get belle, we don't know what it tomorrow no one born. We don't know who be the next victim tomorrow. We can just say, no, my man, my woman, not do this kind of thing to me. If something they change, Nana, it don't they change. For real, my brothers and sisters, more look for a way to just make peace reign. I beg you to please forgive her. My brother MC Galaxy, you are wicked. Not be only this girl, not be only Etinosa you embarrass the full family, you embarrass the mother, you embarrass the father, you embarrass the siblings, you embarrass everybody who don't love that girl. It is wrong. I just hope karma give you and serve you well, as you really deserve this thing where you do so. Picking where you just conceive today, seed where you plant today, believe me, you definitely go give you pikin chop. Not be swear, not because na reality. Not be say I dey lay curse. I don't like to dey lay curse, but na the law of life. Karma dey there. You can't beat karma. You not fit cheat karma. It must serve you. What you do to your fellow person now. So make we all of us beg. Make we join my sister grieve. Move forgive her. She not intentionally do harm. You should understand and see from our own point of view. My sister, I say make you apologize because you choose to love somebody who not love you. You choose to take everything where they throw at you. My sister, you too fine. You too fine. For real. You know, for this life, when you get something, you not go appreciate them until you lose them. Now, so this life be. I don't know whether now your character that make that man say no need you again, or you. I don't know whether now your character make that man say no need you again. I don't know whether now your way of life. If now your character, my sister, change, I beg you. If not be still your character, there are good things ahead of you. I believe so, my sister. So I ask you to apologize because you cause all these things by yourself, in the sense that you love somebody where you're not supposed to love. You love somebody to this extent, say you are willing to lose your life for it. My sister, life not end for where you think say for end. Life na front they go. Or say now wonders now they see for front. When something not they work again, my brothers and sisters, let's walk back before we can put ourselves for situation where we not feel bring ourselves out again. I just hope you understand. I just hope we forgive this girl as we will forgive ourselves. I just hope we all learn from this mistake. I just hope we know who we truly and really call our friends, because sometimes real friends are really difficult to find. So love yourself enough to know people where truly get good spirits, where really get positive spirits, where not they jealous you because you just they will not jealous you because of one or two things. So my sister Etionsa, take heart, don't worry, my sister. Nothing person never see for life before. In a way, na my mieta my here say what you never see, you never walk carriage there. Until you walk carriage there, you can say, this thing they happen for life. It they happen, you never see them. Don't worry. Now just step forward. Now just step forward. Now where God wants to put you for the next position. Not react negatively. Not look for people where want to go beat them up. Not look for people where want doing something spiritually. Not look for just take calm. Let the revenge be for God. Let the revenge be for the good spirits. Not think and say, oh, what you do me, I must do and back. Now, dear, the good spirit for talk say the battle is for him. The battle is for the Lord. Leave him. Let karma take its due course. Let karma punish him. Let all the spirits, all the good spirits, give him his own portion of waiting cook. I hope you understand. I hope you see from my own point of view. I hope you don't just take it personal. I hope you just don't take it personal. Love you. This is Sophie Universe, the massive truth. If this my video bring out the beast in you, it wasn't intentional. If this my video make you vex, it wasn't intentional. If this my video bring out the worst in you, it wasn't intentional. I love love. I love being loved. I love seeing love around me. Please find a place in your heart to forgive me. It wasn't intentional. Till I come your way next time. This is Sophie Universe, the massive truth. Love you. Till the next video.